Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
The threat letter was not sent to the churches. The threat letter was dropped around the headquarters and it was brought to me. I was the one that opened the envelope, read the threat letter. On seeing that, I now invited the Christian Association of Nigeria to tell them about the threat. Whether it is real or not, we have to be security conscious. So I gave them copies of the letter so that they will adjust their programs in the church. Instead of closing late, they should close on time. Thereabout, I now directed all my DPOs to ensure that every Friday, police patrol team must go to mosque and give them adequate security until they finish the Jumat prayers. Equally, on Sundays, all the patrol teams will go around the churches and ensure that they are safe, and after the church service before they close. The threat, we don't take it lightly because you don't know who is behind it. And I've advised the Christian community to be peaceful. They should not bother. I'm on top of the situation, and I told them that if they notice anything, they should make sure they inform me immediately. And they themselves should have their security men to be on guard. If they see any suspicious movement, they should inform me, because security is not just for the police, it's for everybody. So that's what I did. The letter came through me by investigating. I've directed my SIB to move in to see if we can unravel the circumstances beyond the letter. The DSS are equally working on, because I've informed all the security agencies, and we are all investigating to get to the root of the matter.
So guys, yes, I've got an update for you concerning the insecurity situation we have in our country, in our dear country, Nigeria. You know, it's no longer a news about what is happening, what is trending in our country. Because of this, and the Nigeria Police Force has reacted to the threat letter that was sent by the terrorists for churches to close for good 3 months because they want to strike. And you know, with this development, the Nigerian Police Force has said that everybody now have to be security wise. You have to be very conscious of our environment, of what is going on, and if you have any vital information that could help the Nigerian Police Force, please don't hesitate to give to them, because they promise this time around nothing like, you know, letting you out, or, you know, exposing any other person that expose anything, any vital information to them. So with this that is ongoing now in our country, and just recently we saw a video that went viral to where in a church where we have a woman that mounts the gate of the church, the entrance of the church, and with AK-47. Now, so we're going to do now. That's not too far. Then we have another video of a man that was, you know, saying, a Muslim faithful that was saying his prayer in the mosque. Then he had a cutlass strapped to his trouser in case of incasity. In fact, this is not a funny matter, because right now as it is, Nigerians, open your eyes. You open one eye, you close one eye. You don't close two eyes and go to sleep now. So that's it about this development in our country, Nigeria. We pray everything will go well. It is well, huh?